Good morning, it's Melissa from Little Kosher Lunch. Today I wanted to talk to you about leftovers and days when I have lots of great leftovers to choose from when I'm packing a lunch, and then days like today where I'm kind of at the end of the road with my leftovers and how I stretch those last little bits of what I have in the fridge and then continue on to the next fresh ingredients to make a new meal. So I'm always thinking about packing lunch when I'm making dinner the night before or 2 nights before. For the past few days, we've had amazing grilled trout, and we've been enjoying that for our dinners, fresh and then leftover, as well as for lunches, which I've been spoiling my daughter and making with leftover rice into little sushi rolls with a sheet of seaweed paper. Yesterday we used the last sheet of seaweed paper, so today I wanted to show you down here some ingredients where I can stretch that last little bit of what's in the fridge. I'm going to turn the camera for you. Okay, so as you can see, here is our last tiny piece of the grilled trout and the last little bit of rice. But since I don't have any seaweed paper to wrap it with today, I went ahead and I took out of the freezer some mini bagels last night, and I've decided that I can stretch this and use it up for another sort of special reinvention for lunch by doing like a bagel and lox or a bagel and whitefish, but using my grilled trout. So I have cream cheese in the fridge pretty much at all times. I thawed some bagels that were in the freezer. These are a whole wheat mini bagel. And last night I also stretched dinner by boiling some pasta and throwing in some snow peas. So that's a side dish option, lots of fun carbs. Here's my coffee, which is very important for lunch packing. And then I always try to keep on hand some pretty sturdy, handy vegetables that we use a lot of. So I have some tomatoes on the vine. They can also be sliced and put on the side to go on the bagel later. I have a cucumber that can be sliced and put on. If I didn't have the leftover fish, I could just do cucumber and cream cheese or a cucumber and tomato sandwich. I also have a few leftover peas, and then also from last night, just the tiniest amount of cooked carrots that I glazed in honey. They were really easy and fast last night, and I have the smallest amount left that can be put into a lunchbox. I also need to get breakfast going, so I have my tiny crimson gold apples here that have been waiting to be cooked. I'm gonna go ahead and pop those in the oven this morning, and those will get served for breakfast as well as for dessert in the lunchbox. So that is just a little snapshot into my crazy morning. I wish I had more leftovers to stuff into the lunchbox, but I'm gonna make it work with what I have, and I don't need to start from scratch cooking something altogether different. The apples I am gonna start from scratch and bake today, but those will be for breakfast and for lunch, and probably leftover for snack for the baby or for dessert tonight. So this is Melissa from Little Kosher Lunch. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to sharing more ideas with you soon. Bye-bye.